Hi all. In this video we discuss how to set up a Shopify store. For this initially you need to set up a Shopify admin account. Initially go to your Shopify website, select try for free. Choose if you are a starter or you already have a business. So I'm a starter. Next. And select the methods in which you like to sell your brand. Maybe it's simply an online store, or you could sell it in social media, or you could sell directly in person, or you could add your existing websites or blog into your store. You can also choose online marketing. So here we choose simply an online store. Next. So if you already have an online audience like in YouTube or Instagram, you can select yes. So provide a store name, select the country, select next. And you need to provide an ID to create a Shopify ID. It could be your email, it could be your Facebook account or anything. So once you provide your email ID, your Shopify admin account will be created. Along with the Shopify admin account, your e-commerce website will also be created. So to check out on your e-commerce website, and the website address will be whatever name you provided initially for your Shopify store .myshopify.com. So this is a brand new website. So we need to edit it and make sure to enter some products. So for this, go back to your Shopify admin account. To set up your Shopify account, initially you need to add product to your online store. Go to products and select add your products. So in the title section, provide the title of your product. So let's see, I'm providing low ankle boots. And in the description section, you can add the description of your product. Okay. Scroll down in the media section, you can add the image of the product. For that, select add to file. In case you need to add a video or 3D model, you can select add for URL. So in order to add image, select add file and import an image from your system. Scroll down. Below provide the pricing. 2000. Provide the compare price. And if you have more than one item, you can provide the cost per an item. As you can see, the profit. And below provide your SKU in the inventory section. Scroll down, you can provide the weight, and here in the country section select the country, and in the end of the section you can see how your product will appear in the search engine listing. After adding the product, save the product. So in order to see the detailed version of adding a product, you can check the video linked in the description. After making the changes, save the change. So after adding a product, you need to make sure the customers can buy a product from your website and all the payment and transaction will be smooth enough. For this, we need to set up the payment methods. Go to Shopify admin page, go to settings, select payments, scroll down and you can see different payment options. Here you have PayPal. In order to activate the PayPal, select activate PayPal. And if you need to add another payment, select add payment methods and search for different payment option. In case you opt for a manual payment method, click on add manual payment method. So let's select cash on delivery. So you need to provide additional details and payment instructions. After that, activate the cash on delivery. Choose the most suitable payment method for you and your customer. And the second step to make sure that the store is available and open to public or your customers. For this, go to your online store. As you can see, your store is currently password protected. So go to preference, scroll down. So in order to deactivate the password protection of your store, select pick a plan and choose whichever plan that's suitable for you. So after selecting a suitable plan, you'll be able to disable the restrict access to the visitors with the password. Scroll up and the preference section itself, in the title and the meta description, you can provide a title for your homepage along with the description here. So now we have currently made a website available for all your customers. Now you can edit or customize your website. For this, again, you have to go to your Shopify admin account. And under the online store section, select themes. Scroll down and you can see different themes are available for free. So select a suitable theme for your website. Let's say craft. Click on add. So initially the theme will be installed. So in order to customize, select customize, and will be directed to a page that represents the demo of your website. So you can make as much change as possible. If you need to add any text about your brand, you can add it here. You can change the heading. You can provide your collection name. For that, select collection. Right, so here I'm selecting home page. Since we only have one product, we'll be directed to the one product. And if you need to create collection, click on select collection, and you will need to create a new collection. And then you can scroll down, and in this section you can add a video that will describe your brand or your product. For this, select the grid, and in the left section you have an option to enter the YouTube link of the video along with the cover image. You can change the heading and the heading size and the position, etc. And in this section you can add notes or images or collection or even the blog post about your product or your brand. In the collage section you can add the images of different product as you like. And in the bottom you will be able to see the footer section. Here you can enter your email and other websites so that the customers can email or contact you directly. And in the footer section you'll be able to add quick links that will direct the customer to your social media accounts. You can also share other information such as address, detail of their store, detail of your brand. And this is how you can basically customize your website. And after making all the changes, save that change. And then go to your website, reload it. You might be able to see the changes. As you can see, featured product has appeared. We haven't uploaded anything else. So now let's see how to change your general settings. So go to settings, and in the store details section you can change the basic information, address and contact information. In order to change any of these, select edit. So here you can change the store name. The store name will be the name available for your customer. So for example, okay, let's change that. You can provide a legal name of your company if you have legally registered. You can change the store industry, and also you can change the address and other contact information. So these are the informations that are available for your customers on your website. So after making changes, select save. In order to see the changes you have made, go to this view online store section. Click on that eyeball, and you can see the name has been changed. For the best customer experience, you need organized sections and menus so that the customers can easily navigate their product. So every time you create a page or a collection, you'll need to link it to your store through navigation. So the pages and the collection will be available for your customers. So how can we organize a menu? For this, go to online store, go to navigation. You can see footer menu and main menu. So for instance, we are taking main menu. Select add menu item. Click on the link. A list of menus that you can add will appear. So the home page will link it to your online store homepage. By selecting the collection product or pages, you can link it to specific collections or product or pages. Blogs will link to collection of blog posts and web pages. So after linking any of these sections, for example, let's select product, and you can choose which product you need to link to, and then click on add. This you can add your collections page or product directly to your store by linking through navigation. And if needed, you can edit the already existing menu items. If needed, you can rearrange the order of the menu by dragging one menu item up or down. This is how you organize your menu. Select save. So now let's organize your product into collections so that it will be much easier for the customers to navigate a product. For this, go to product section. You can see the products that I've added, and go to collections. So provide a title for your collection. Deals of the day. and provide the description. It's better to include some keyword to your description. For example, scroll down. You can choose to add a product to the collection manually or automated. So if you're choosing automated, you will have to provide conditions in which the product will be added to the collection. So these are the conditions. So here we can provide the condition according to which the product can be added to a collection. If needed, you can add more conditions, and you can also choose if the product need to agree with all the conditions or any of those conditions. So here we're choosing a single condition, and for example, we are choosing product tag. So what are product tags? To understand a product tag, go to products, select one of your products and scroll down. So here in the product organization section, you can see the tags. You can add a tag. For example, I'm adding trend. After making change, save the change. So trend is one of the product tag here, and go to the collection page, and under the condition, select the product tag. Here we can choose is equal to and type trend, so that any product which has a product tag trend will come under this collection category. So another example we can take as price, and here we can choose if it's less than or greater than a particular amount. So let's say it is greater than let's say 100. Any product which has a pricing above 100 will come under this collection category. If you have a bulk of products, automated is the best choice. So if you want to change to manual collection, click on manual collection. Then select edit to edit your search engine listing. You can change the page title and add meta description if needed. After that, select save. So now another product section will appear in which you can add a product to your collection manually by browsing it. Click on browse, click on the product and select add. So now you have added a product to your collection. So in case if you have more than one channel, on the right side you will be able to choose on the channels in which the collection will be available. And after that, select save. And now you have created a collection, and for customers to find your collection, you need to link it in your navigation. Go to online store and select navigation. So in the menu section, select main menu. Click on add menu item and link your collection. So select your collection, and then if you want, you can change the name of your collection. If there are more products in your collection, you can filter them by the tags and select add. And then after making the changes, save the change. So in order to review your store, click on view your online store. As you can see, the deal of the day collection is available here on the main menu. So this is how it will appear for your customer. So if you need to share more about your store or the journey behind your brand or your products so that customers can connect more to your product, you can add all this information in blog post. So let's see how to add blog post. In your Shopify admin account, go to online store, select blog post, create blog post, provide a title if it's about the latest product or the history of your brand, anything. So let's say, and in the content section, you can add more details about your blog post. Here you can also insert images, even videos that are associated to your blog post along with the text. So after adding the content, scroll down and you'll see the excerpt section. Click on add excerpt and add some of the most interesting sentences or section from your content, since excerpt is what catches your customer's attention. And scroll down. If you need, you can edit your website SEO. You can change the page title, even add description, etc. On the right side, you can enable the visibility. You can also choose the date in which you want to publish your blog post. Below you can add the feature image which will appear in the blog index. And next in the organization section, you can add the author's name and you can select the type of blog post. Even you can add different tags. After making the changes, save the change. So in order to edit the blog post, search on blogs in the search section and select blogs, manage your blogs. Click on the particular blog which you need to edit in order to make your blog post more engaging. And on the right side, you can enable the comments are allowed and are automatically published. After that, save the change. Next, let's see how to add pages to your store. So if you have certain information like contact information or something about your store that are permanent and won't be changed, you can add that to a permanent section by using a page. For this, go to your Shopify admin account, go to online store, go to pages and select add page. So now you'll be taken into a web page. Here you'll have to provide a title. You're going for FAQ sections. You can provide content for the page here. You can edit your website SEO. So the page title will be used in the search engine result. So you can change the page title and add description. After that, click on save. And on the right side, there is a visibility section. You can choose either to make it visible or hidden. So you can choose to publish your page or not. Below you can see the visibility date also. So you can choose a date in which you can publish the page. And after that, click on save. In case if you're adding contact information, on the title, enter contact. Scroll down and on the right side you can see the theme template. Click on that. Select contact and select save. In order for your page to be available for your customer in your store, you have to link it to the navigation. So go to navigation. You can select the footer. So select the area on which you want your page to be visible to. So for example, let's take footer menu. Click on add menu item. On the link section, add pages. So select contact, select add. After making changes, save the change. So let's view our store. As you can see, you have the contact page here. Click on the page and you'll be able to see the template. Now let's see how to add a domain. So this is the current domain of our store. So in order to add a domain, go to settings. So if you have an existing domain, you can connect it to your store by selecting connect existing domain and enter your existing domain. So in case if you don't have a domain, you can buy a domain in Shopify. Click on buy new domain, enter the domain you want to buy. Apart from Shopify, you can choose domain from GoDaddy or other third-party apps. Now let's see how to set your legal page. So for this, go to settings, go to policies, so initially you need to set up your refund policies or click on create from template. So you'll be provided with the template. Read the policy and if needed, you can add more changes to suit your business. So even after making changes, make sure that your return policy covers certain aspects such as kind of product that is eligible for return or refund and how a customer can initiate the return process. So scroll down. And next you can see the privacy policy. Again, if you need assistance, you can click on create from template. So the privacy policy will be available. So the privacy policy discloses your customer about how you will manage their data, including the customer information which they provided. So if needed, you can make certain changes. And below you can see the terms and service. Click on create from template. So these are the agreements that a customer should agree to, which will provide protection for your brand and your data. Scroll down. And here you can add your shipping policy. So it's not mandatory, but it's highly recommended because most of your customers would definitely want to know how their product is being shipped and how the company operates, etc. So you can add your shipping policy. For a better understanding of all these policies, it's recommended to approach a legal advisory. In the next section, you can also add contact information. And if there is any legal notices that you want your customer to be aware of, you can add that too. And next, click on save. So this is how you set your basic legal pages. Next on, let's set up store email. So the email notification regarding the order confirmation or launch of a new product which are sent to your customer are basically called sender emails. So let's see how to check sender emails. Go to settings and in the store details section, scroll down. Below the content information, select edit. You can edit the store contact email. After making the change, close. Let's see how to update your Shopify email notification. Go to settings and go to notifications. In the order section, you can see different notifications, order confirmation, order editing. For example, let's choose order confirmation. You can see the preview of how the email would look like. And in case if you need to edit the email, go to edit code. You'll be able to see the HTML email body. In this section, you can edit the code in order to change the mail that the customer will receive. Apart from your customer, your staff can also receive the notification. For this, go to your notification section, scroll down, and under the staff order notification, select add received. In the emails address section, add the address of your staff and click on add an order notification. So that's how you update your email notifications. Next, let's see how to set up tags. Go to settings. Go to taxes and duties. So initially you can select the country or region in which you are operating. So first you can see the country tax and below you can see the tax for each and every state. And under the tax overrides, you can set different taxes on specific collection or location. For this, click on add tax override and you can select a particular collection, say deals of the day, and you can set a different tax for that apart from all other products and click on add override. So you can also change the tax settings on your product page. For this, go to products and click on any of the product. Scroll down and click on any one of the variants. Scroll down to your pricing section. So here you can enable the charge tax on this variant. Now let's set up a location for your product, including where it is shipped from and its end destination. According to the location, the tax calculation might also change. For this, go to settings. Select locations and click on add location. So provide a location name and then add the address and click on save. So these are the basic tag settings. Now let's set up your shipping process. For this, initially you need to choose a shipping carrier for your business. So shipping carriers basically provide a service of delivering your customer order. So choose a suitable shipping carrier for your business. And now let's go to Shopify shipping. So under the shipping and delivery section, you'll be able to see all the basic information regarding the shipping process, the general, the rating. You can also see the local delivery address and the pickup address. You can recheck if needed. You can add packages and also you can customize your packing slip template. For this, click on edit. To see the template, click on preview template. So this is a template of your packing slip. Go back. So next you can see the carrier account. You can connect to a carrier account. So these are the currently linked carrier accounts in Shopify. And now you need to understand how to charge your customer for shipping. There are many ways to do that. One better way to do this is offer a free shipping option to your customer. And the way to do free shipping is to add shipping cost to your product. For this, go to settings and then go to shipping and delivery. And under the general shipping rates, go to manage. So click on any of these product. Scroll down. Right now you have a standard rate. In order to add a new rate, click on add rate. So here we are setting our own rates. So provide the rate name as free shipping. Make sure the price is 0 in the free shipping. And after that, click on add conditions. And you can choose under which condition you will provide free shipping, if it's based on the weight or based on price. You can provide a minimum price and a maximum price. So any product under this price range will be available for free shipping. Click on done. So another way to add a shipping rate is to provide flat shipping rates to customers. So in flat shipping, regardless of the product in the cart, for that go to add rate and provide and the price section, make sure to provide the price. Let's say 40. And add conditions again based on weight or price. Let's take price. Provide a minimum price and maximum price. So any product in between these price range will have a shipping cost as rupees 40. And click on done. After making changes, click on save. So these are some of the ways to add shipping rate. To run a successful store, you need more customers. So how can you add customer information? Go to customers, click on add customer. In the customer overview section, provide the basic information about your customer and address. If your customer want to receive marketing emails and SMS, make sure to enable the section. After that, save the customer. And if you need to add customer data in bulk, so in case you have a list of customers that you need to enter into Shopify, click on import customers and add your customer CSV file. In order to create the customer CSV file, you can download a sample of customer CSV from here and create a CSV file and add it to the Shopify and click on import. So this is how you enter customer data. In case you need to update your existing customer data, go to customers, click on the particular customer whose data you need to edit, and on the right side you have many options to edit your customer data. Now let's see how to create and provide discount codes to your customer. Providing discounts are one of the best way to retain your existing customer and to attract new customers. For this, go to discounts, create discount. So here you can choose which type of discount you want. So if you want discount for individual product, you can choose product discount. And if you want discount for a particular order, you can just order discount. You can either choose buy one get one free discount option or free shipping option. So select one of the discount type and choose in which method you want to generate discount. Either you can do automatic discount or by providing discount code. So if you choose discount code method, you need to provide a discount code here so that any customer who needs the discount should enter the discount code manually. In the next section, provide if it's a percentage or fixed amount discount. So let's say 50 rupees. And choose if you want to apply the discount to a specific collection or a specific product. So if it's a collection, you can browse it and select the collection. Next, choose the minimum purchase requirement. So either choose no minimum requirements or you can choose minimum purchase amount such that any product above the purchase amount will not have a discount. And in case you choose minimum quantity of items, and if you provide 3, customers who purchase more than 3 items will not have the discount. We can choose which customers are eligible for the discount, such as if you choose specific customers, and you can browse their name. Next section, you can limit the number of discounts used in total. You can also use the discount in combination with shipping discounts. In last section, you can provide the date from which your discount will be activated. After that, click on Save Discount. So in case if you're using automatic discount method, you need to provide a title so that customers will be able to see this discount in their cart or checkout section. So this is how you create a discount code. Accelerated checkouts are one of the ways to improve your customer experience. It helps the customers to directly go to a checkout section where their informations are pre-filled. For this, initially you need a dynamic checkout button. So in your Shopify admin account, go to online store, go to themes, click on customize, and in the search section, click on products, go to your default product. On the left side, you can see the buy button section, click on that. So make sure and enable the show dynamic checkout button. As you can see, direct buy button has appeared. It will help your customer to directly go to a checkout section without entering into the cart. Now let's see how to set up your marketing campaign. The marketing section in your Shopify store will help you to create marketing activities like Google ad or Facebook ad, and you can also track their performance. So let's create a marketing campaign. Go to marketing. So in the marketing section, click on create campaign. So here you can choose to promote your product in a provided media. So let's take Pinterest. Click on setup Pinterest. If needed, you can also edit your existing campaign. So now you have done your basic groundwork to launch your online store. This video is sponsored by Final Apps. So far we have launched different apps in Shopify that will help you to customize your invoice and bulk print your order invoices. Check out our other apps where you can show your dual tax display on your product and print barcode labels and QR codes. Thank you.